Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Winter stimulus needed analysis http ntvforex.com news ID C978EF9 22/2020 12:015 p.m. Lockdown panic is easing on Tuesday, with European stocks pairing Monday's sharp losses and Wall Street eyeing a flat open, having been spared much of the previous day's sell-off. While the initial panic may have passed, the risk of lockdown has not. The numbers are getting much worse by the day and more restrictions are being imposed as a result. Governments around the world will be desperate to avoid full national lockdowns again, but that is one option already being considered here in the UK. It was interesting to see the usual names getting hammered, while at the same time pandemic-proof tech staged a mini comeback, perhaps giving credence to the growing lockdown risk being priced in once again. Even in the absence of a full lockdown, tight restrictions on work, gatherings, and travel will still have significant economic consequences. It may soon be time for policymakers to step up again. Stimulus will be a hot topic in the U.S. today as Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin appear before the House Financial Services Committee. With the Fed having done an extraordinary job in stabilizing the financial system and providing huge amounts of monetary stimulus, even adjusting its framework last month to allow rates to remain lower for longer, emphasis will likely fall on fiscal measures, or lack thereof. Powell has repeatedly called for more stimulus to support the recovery, but Congress has failed to find a compromise, and hopes for a deal before the election are fading fast. That will leave households and businesses without support going into a troublesome winter period and could come with significant economic consequences. Oil pairs losses. For now, oil prices are recovering some losses after coming under heavy selling pressure on Monday at the prospect of renewed lockdowns. Adding downward pressure to the oil price could be the addition of Libyan crude, with the country potentially adding around 500,000 barrels per day by year-end, although forecasts naturally vary. An interesting battle could emerge in the coming weeks, with the Saudi Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman warning traders against shorting oil prices, but that seemingly fell on deaf ears as the market tumbled. Should it continue, OPEC may be forced to reconvene and increase cuts again in order to address the decline. Gold under pressure. Gold is hanging above $1,900 for now, but has come under significant pressure in recent days as the dollar jumped in a risk-averse environment. The dollar has performed well this month, and a break above the August highs could trigger a sharper rally and weigh further on the yellow metal, potentially sending it back to the August lows and even further still. Trading yesterday once again suggests precious metals are no safe haven when COVID is concerned, another factor that could support dollar in the near to medium term. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.